Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to send Tether from Revolut to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into crypto, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring USDT smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Bitmart. In 2025, Revolut has made crypto transfers even easier with enhanced security features, so double-check that your accounts are verified and your Tether balance is ready to go. This process is straightforward, but always handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Look for your Tether, USDT, wallet. It's usually right there in your dashboard. Once you're in, select the option to withdraw or transfer out. Step 2. Head over to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to your wallet, and generate a new deposit address specifically for Tether. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but always check first to keep costs down. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometric auth. Once sent, track the transfer on the blockchain. Use tools like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. It should take just a few minutes, but give it up to an hour for full confirmation. One quick tip: if you run into issues, like a pending status, reach out to Revolut or Bitmart support. And remember, never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. That's how you send Tether from Revolut to Bitmart in 2025. It's that simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and keep building your crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.